Running a bike repair shop? Feels like juggling 1,000 gears at once, right? Repairs, schedules, payments, inventory. It's enough to make your head spin. What if you could shift into an easier ride? Meet Orderry, your all-in-one repair shop software. Orderry automates your workflow, so jobs move smoothly from check-in to pickup. No more missed deadlines or disappointed clients. Need to track repairs? Done. Sell bike accessories? Easy. Manage parts and tools? Handled. Stay connected with customers through two-way texting, email, WhatsApp, or social media, all in one place. Send digital invoices and get paid fast with online payments. Plus, get real-time reports and analytics to see what's working and what's not. Big or small, one shop or many, Orderry scales with you. It's time to shift your business into high gear. Start your free trial today. No credit card needed.